Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing great today. How is your day going? Hope all is well. Thank God, glory be to God. So, in today's video, my lovely families, I'm going to share with you instant glowing recipe. If you have not tried this before, this is the time for you to give it a try. Instantly, you're going to glow like seriously. We are going to be needing a bowl and a spoon. Okay? So after grabbing your bowl and spoon, you go ahead and take your coffee. You can make use of any coffee of your choice. So this is what I have available with me. So you too go ahead and make use of any coffee available with you. It's fine. Alright? So I'll just go ahead and take 1 teaspoon of coffee. Okay? After that, just I use my spoon to spread it a little bit and then go ahead and add a pinch of turmeric powder. After adding my turmeric powder, go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of milk. After that, go ahead and mix all together. Make sure you mix very properly until the ingredients are well incorporated. Okay? So, if you have watched to this point, thank you for watching. I hope you have subscribed. Please do subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop any video, you will be among the people that will get notification. Turn on the bell icon, okay? So, if this is your first time of seeing my video, you're highly welcome to my channel. My name is Maya. In this channel, we talk about beauty, skincare, DIY, product review, and many more. You're highly welcome once again. And don't forget to grab your seat. Go ahead and take any seat of your choice. You can ask any question. And if you have anything like skin issue, problem, you want to get rid of it, go ahead and drop it below. If I have any solution, I will definitely reply you. Okay, so this is said after mixing. After that, you just go ahead and clear off your skin, like wipe all the makeup and everything off. After that, you go ahead and grab your tomato, okay, fresh tomato, okay. So you just go ahead and dip it in and make sure you use it to scrub your face. All right, you can do this when before taking bath. Yeah, before taking your bath, you can just use this to scrub your face and your neck. All right. So after doing this, you're going to love your skin. Like seriously, you're going to love the result. Your skin is going to glow. This is not by mouth. Okay, I did this and the result it's very good. So all you have to do is to give it a try. If you have a rough skin or you want to glow your skin, I bet you give this recipe a try. You're going to love it. Okay, so use this daily, once a day or 2 times in a day. Okay, store the remaining or the leftover, store it in the fridge. Do not freeze it. Alright? So that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share with your lovers and your families. Thank you all for watching. On my next video, I'm going to post something very important as well. So stay tuned. Okay, so what you have to do is to apply the first layer, okay? After applying the first layer, after the first layer dried, then you go ahead and apply the second layer, all right? So that it will penetrate to your skin very well, okay? Okay, so all you have to do is to apply it 2 times, okay? Hope you like the video. Please, if you like, to show some love, like share. Alright, see you on my next video. Bye!